Just a quick motivational video to show you that once you're determined, you can do it. So I made about $2,000 in the past month from print on demand alone. If you haven't set up Amazon Seller Central, I'll highly recommend that you do. You can sell to several marketplaces, including the US, UK, Germany, Spain, Italy, and more. It's just like Amazon merch, but the difference with Amazon Seller Central is you can sell everything, excluding products like hand sanitizers, pesticides, and more. So you can sell anything, everything apart from things that are already provided by Amazon's merch. So that's one of the advantages of Amazon Seller Central. So if you haven't started with Amazon Seller Central, I'll highly recommend that you do. I made a video in the past walking you how to sign up for Amazon Seller Central and link your account with Printful, because that's my print-on-demand provider, Printful. They make it easy for you. Once they are linked, once the accounts are linked, and you receive an order from Amazon Seller Central, Printful receives the order immediately. Immediately the purchase has been made. So you don't have to lift a finger to fulfill it. All you need to do is put a card on file that is going to be charged once the order comes in, and you're good to go. I just wanted to make a short video showing you my income report, as well as motivating you that you can use other marketplaces apart from the regular ones we use. You can also use Amazon Seller Central if the other marketplaces, such as maybe Redbubble or TeePublic, is not working for you. You always have an option. But the thing with Amazon Seller Central is you have to pay a monthly fee for your account, which is $39.99. That's the only thing. But apart from that, you have the liberty of listing unlimited products on Amazon Seller Central. It's not like Amazon Merch where you're tied down by its tier and you have to sell a number of products before you move to the next tier. It's not like that with the Amazon Seller Central. You have unlimited spots, but you have to pay a fee, monthly fee, $39.99, to sell those products. So talking about the other marketplaces, a new marketplace has just popped up, Tostadora. I don't know if you guys have heard about that. This is it right here below. I'm not sure why it's not scrolling down, but it's called Tostadora.com. So I just want to find out from you guys. Let me know in the comment section below if you've heard about this website, Print-on-Demand website, and if you're using it. I just started using it. I wanna know if anybody else is using it. I'm gonna tell you guys in the future if I ever make a sale. I'm gonna let you guys know. But I just want to know if anybody else has heard about it or is using it right now. Let me know in the comment section below. Then another update with upload automation tools is POD Connect has added TeePublic to their upload automation. So if POD Connect has TeePublic in their upload automation, Merge Informer too has TeePublic in their upload automation. POD Connect is a subset of Merge Informer. What I mean by that is that Merge Informer's upload automation is called Single Upload Interface, and POD Connect is produced by Merge Informer. It's a subset of Merge Informer. So POD Connect is only the upload automation, but Merge Informer has the upload automation as well as t-shirt research, copyright infringement tools, and more. So Merge Informer is all-in-one tool for print-on-demand business. Then POD Connect is just upload automation. I don't know if you guys are getting the difference, but both of them have upload automations. I'm just giving you an update that TeePublic has been added to their upload automations. Those are the two tools I use for upload automation in my print on demand business. The ones that I recommend, the first is Fly Upload and the second is Merge Informer, as well as POD Connect, because POD Connect is a subset of Merge Informer. So if you want to learn more about these upload automation tools, there's a link in the description below. If you haven't signed up for Printful, I highly recommend that you do. There's a link in the description below to sign up for Printful. And there's a video that I've made in the past showing you how to link your Amazon Seller Central account as well as your Printful account, so you can start selling immediately. Watch that video and get started on Amazon Seller Central as soon as possible. So guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, this is the channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to notify when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.